Staying in Delhi, the story that we are playing out next is very important for you also with the kind of politics that we are seeing. Sparks are literally flying in the national capital yet again, and the latest face-off is over increased electricity bills. Now, the bills of domestic consumers have gone up after the distribution companies have revised the power purchase adjustment charges. This adjustment, remember, is made to cover the costs that power distribution companies incur while they purchase electricity from power generation companies. So these higher costs are then passed on to the consumers like you and me through their electricity bills. And this charge is levied when you have the demand that goes up. So what is the hike we are talking about? The hike that we are talking about is anywhere between a 6.15% to a 8.75%. And do remember, in Delhi, you have the power that is purchased from the electricity exchange during summers to meet the increased demand. Therefore, the PPAC might be greater in summers. With the hike coming into effect, Delhiites will be ending up paying more. The BJP is alleging that not only did the Aam Aadmi Party government not plan well in advance to tackle this surge in demand, it was also in collusion with a lot of these discoms as they made consumers pay hefty amounts just in the name of power surcharge.
क्या डिस्कॉम्स के पास ये राइट है कि डायरेक्टली वो लिख के डीआरसी को रेट बढ़ा दें?
तो राइट नहीं है, लेकिन जब दिल्ली की बिजली मंत्री डिस्कॉम की प्रवक्ता बनके बात करेंगी, किकबैक लेंगी, कमीशन लेंगी, तो फिर ये सब राइट सब।
तो आपको लगता है कि अप्रूवल है इसमें?
ये अप्रूवल नहीं है। अगर अप्रूवल नहीं है तो डिस्कॉम की हिम्मत कैसे होगी बढ़ाने की? बिना परमिशन के कैसे बढ़ा सकता है?
वो ये कह रहे हैं कि वो बढ़ा सकते हैं।
तो फिर बढ़ा सकते हो तो फिर दिखाइए। फिर 7% कहाँ है? 8.75% क्यों है? अगर आप 7% की बात कर रहे हैं तो 8.75% कैसे बढ़ा दे, इसका जवाब दे दें।
देखिए, हम इस ओर पूरा हमारी नज़र है और इस बात के लिए हमने पहले भी चेताया भी है। इसके ऊपर भी दिल्ली प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमेटी एक पूरा कार्यक्रम आयोजित करेगी, जिसके तहत जो बढ़े हुए बिल हैं उनको वापस करने की मांग की जाएगी।
You also have the Delhi Power Minister Atish. She was accusing the BJP now of misleading the people by spreading rumors, she says. They also claim that the Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission's order says that the current PPAC will remain the same, no more changes will be made. But she, however, is justifying this tariff revision, and she says that the DISCOMs have a provision in the Electricity Act of 2003 that does allow them to increase the PPAC by up to 10% from that prescribed by the DERC in case of the high cost of power purchase. She's also hit back at the BJP, claiming that the electricity charges in the states ruled by the Saffron Party were absolutely higher. They were far higher. And so she says that that is the reason why there have been power cuts. So do not just point fingers, she says, at the Aam Aadmi Party.
ये मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूंगी, ये DERC के ऑर्डर्स हैं जहां तक PPAC का मैटर है, और ये बहुत क्लियर कट टर्म्स में ये कहते हैं कि PPAC चार्ज को नहीं बढ़ाया जाएगा। सितंबर तक PPAC का जितना पहले का ऑर्डर था वो जारी रहेगा। लेकिन डिस्कॉम्स के पास ये प्रावधान होता है कि अगर उन्हें खास करके गर्मियों के मौसम में, क्योंकि बहुत पीक पावर का यूजेज होता है, एक्स्ट्रा पावर खरीदनी पड़े, तो वो शॉर्ट टर्म बेसिस पे अप टू 75.5% PPAC बढ़ा सकते हैं उस दौरान में जब उन्होंने महंगी बिजली खरीदी है।